Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix milk with dates and nuts? It might seem like a simple combination, but the results are surprisingly delicious and nutritious. This trio of ingredients comes together to create a snack or meal that's not only satisfying but also rich in essential nutrients to nourish your body. Let's break down what happens when these ingredients come together. 1. Creaminess of milk. Milk forms the base of this mixture. It's rich in essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins. When you add milk to the mix, it brings a creamy texture and a rich flavor. Plus, milk helps to make this drink more filling and satisfying. 2. Sweetness of dates. Dates are nature's candy. They're sweet, sticky, and loaded with natural sugars like glucose and fructose. When you blend dates into the milk, they not only sweeten the drink but also add a hint of caramel-like flavor. Dates are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. 3. Nutty goodness of nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, or cashews, bring a crunchy texture and a nutty flavor to the mix. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and various vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium. When you blend nuts into the milk and dates, they not only enhance the flavor but also add a creamy consistency, especially if you soak them beforehand. 4. Nutrient powerhouse. Combining milk, dates, and nuts creates a powerhouse of nutrients. You get a good dose of protein from the milk and nuts, essential minerals like calcium and magnesium from the milk, and vitamins E and B from the nuts and dates. This drink can provide you with energy, support muscle repair, and help keep your bones strong. 5. Satiety and energy boost. Thanks to the combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates from the dates, this drink can provide a sustained release of energy. It's a great option for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Plus, the fiber from the dates and nuts can help keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. 6. Easy to customize. The beauty of mixing milk with dates and nuts is that you can customize it to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. You can use different types of milk, such as cow's milk, almond milk, or oat milk, vary the types of nuts you use, and adjust the sweetness by adding more or fewer dates. Mixing milk with dates and nuts results in a delicious and nutritious drink that offers a perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess, and crunch. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast smoothie, a midday pick-me-up, or a bedtime treat, this wholesome concoction is sure to satisfy your taste buds and nourish your body. If you found the information helpful, please subscribe to the channel for additional tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle.